In this video, we will be doing a Rain-X anti-fog demo. Make sure inside the surface is completely clean. Apply a small amount on a paper towel. Wipe on the product evenly to entire window. Do a final wipe down with the dry side of the towel. To leave a streak-free coating on your window. Enjoy seeing clearly in no foggy windows. We hope this video was useful. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.